everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Shannon. Welcome to the Room Scheduler tutorial. A lot of you probably have some understanding of what the Room Scheduler is and what it does. For those who are new, the Room Scheduler is an online tool that allows you to view the schedule for specific rooms and find available rooms at Southwestern College. The Room Scheduler can be found at the web address you'll see on the screen here, jag.swc.edu/RUVS. Alright, so let's get started. You can start by typing the web address of the room scheduler into the address bar of your web browser and hit enter. I already have it pulled up here, so you should see what I have on my screen on yours. This is the home page of the room scheduler. As you can see at the top here, there are two sections of the room scheduler, the academic schedule and campus availability. When you go to the room scheduler website, the first page you will see will be the academic schedule. The academic schedule allows you to view the times a given room will be in use. As you can see, you can filter by term, month, year, start time, end time, campus, building, and room. You have to at least select a building and a room, otherwise the calendar won't populate. Just for an example, I'm going to change some of these defaults to a room I know was occupied last semester because, well, I was taking two classes that were in that room. Let's change the term to spring. If you pay attention to the month as I do this, you will notice that the month will automatically change to the first month of the semester that I choose. Since I'm changing the term from summer to spring, the month is going to change from July to January. I'll keep all of the other default settings the same. Then I'll just go down and select the building and room. Let's see, I'm looking for building 390. Another point of interest is that the list of buildings in the drop-down menu are ordered by the first number of the building number. So here's 390, so I'll just click that. Then I'll come over to the drop-down list of room numbers. You'll notice that these are arranged in numerical order, so I'll just find and select 394. You can see that as soon as we selected the room, the calendar populated. You don't have to click on anything, the calendar will just automatically populate with the information based on your selections. Now that the calendar is populated, you'll notice that the holidays are in red and the classes occupying the room I selected are in blue. As you can see, on Monday, this particular room is occupied starting at 8:35 a.m., but you can't see exactly what time the class lets out just by looking at the time block. However, if you hover the mouse over the time block, you'll see a yellow box appear. The yellow box will give you all of the pertinent details about the occupation of this room during this specific time block, including the end time of the class. Going back to the top of the calendar, you can see some additional features that will allow you to search the calendar more efficiently. On the upper left corner, there are two empty blue buttons. Clicking on the left one will take you back in time, and the right one will take you forward in time. How far in time these buttons take you depends on what option is selected on the right. You can switch between month, week, and day, so because I have month selected, I can move forwards and backwards through time by month with the two buttons on the left. The last feature in the academic schedule is the button labeled Today in the upper left corner. This button will bring you to whatever today's date is from wherever you are at in the calendar based on which time option you have selected. So if I'm in January and I have month selected, I can click Today and it will bring me back to July with Today highlighted in yellow, just like this. Campus availability allows you to search for available rooms at Southwestern College. To get to the campus availability feature, just click Campus Availability found at the top of the page. When you get to the campus availability feature, you will see that you can filter your search for rooms by date, start time, end time, and campus. You must select a date, start time, and end time for a list of available rooms to populate. For an example, I'm going to select today's date, which is July 3rd, with a start time of 8 a.m. and an end time of 12 p.m. After we've selected the date, start time, and end time, we just click the Get Available Rooms button to the right of the search options. After clicking the button, you will notice a list of available rooms populate below. The list will show the building the room is in on the left side of the list and the room number on the right. The rooms will be sorted by the building they are associated with. As before with the academic schedule building drop-down list, the buildings are sorted according to the first number of the building. So that completes the video tutorial for how to use the Room Scheduler website. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I will see you next time.